Welcome back, North State Peasant Farmer. It is another beautiful day on the homestead, and we're getting ready to feed the pigs and the chickens and do some chores here around the farm. Follow me. So this is the shipment that we got in today. So I've got some lettuce greens here I'm going to give to them. There we go, my girls. Oh. Hi, you guys ready to eat? Yeah. My pigs. Hi pigs, how's it going? How's it going? Ready to eat?
Watch out. What? Get milk on me. I said watch out, I don't want to get milk. Yeah, this is so nice. That's it. That's not too bad. Thank you.
Okay, so we're getting ready to add their trough into their pig pen area. Tomorrow I'll come in and I'll put the T-posts in and secure it down. But tonight I want to put their slop in their new trough. We'll see how they like it. Hi Wilma and Fred, how's it going? Hey big pig! There's my big pig. Hey Fred! Hi, Fred. Hi, Wilma. Gosh, they're so big. Give them some more bread. They like that. All right, here he comes with the trough. Whoa. There we go. Thank you. All right, you want to... We're distracting them right now with bread. Here we go. Oh, is that good stuff? Oh my goodness, they love it. Oh. Is that good, Fred? What about you, Wilma? Oh my goodness, look at how big this girl is. She is ginormous. She is ginormous. How's it going? She's such a good pig.